1 minute equals 100 folders. No coding. Imagine this. An interviewer asks you to create 100 student folders in just 10 minutes. And each folder must be named according to a list in an Excel sheet. What would you do? Don't worry, here's a simple trick that can help you complete this task in under a minute. First, type MD, followed by a double quotation mark. Then enter the name of the first student exactly as it appears in the Excel sheet, and close the quotation mark. Now, click outside the cell, then click back on the name you just typed. Press Ctrl+E on your keyboard. Boom! Excel will automatically fill in the rest of the names.
Just wow!
Next, select all the generated names using Ctrl+Shift+down arrow key, and copy them using Ctrl+C. Open Notepad and paste the content using Ctrl+V. Now, go to File, then Save As, and save the file with a .bat extension. For example, student.bat. Then click Save and close Notepad. After that, go to the folder where you saved the file. Double-click on the student.bat file. And just like that,
Just wow!
all 100 student folders will be created instantly with their respective names. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more Excel and productivity tips on our Let's Learn channel. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram for more amazing tricks.